Hey everybody, it's Sassy with Seasons with Sassy. Today I am doing a video on my mail from this week. There's 3 packages that come from the same place, and I lately have not had very good luck with them. So I will just start opening my mail and then I'll kind of tell you about what happened. So here we go. So the first 3 are going to be from Zulily. And I'm going to tell you, the last packages I got were not great. I had ordered our Christmas pajamas from Zulily, and I received all of the pajamas, but the pajamas from my 9-year-old were a completely different, they were the right size, but it was a completely different print on the front. So everybody matches but her, and because of the nature of Zulily, they had sold out of that, and so it was completely pointless to buy my Christmas pajamas from them. They did give me a refund at least, but now we're stuck with 5 of us in the same pajama, and my poor 9-year-old is going to be looking different. So we've been looking online trying to find some that will somewhat match, because I'm just going to sew something that kind of matches on top of the pajamas that she got. So that's what I'm gonna do. All right, so these are actually perfect. These are amazing. So I had, with the pajamas, I had ordered everybody some slippers to go with them. These are Mucklucks, and I love Mucklucks, and I have ordered Mucklucks from Zulily before, and they have turned out to be awesome. So I had already gotten some red and black buffalo check slippers from them, and those were all great. But like I said, the pajamas, not such a great story. But anyways, these are great. These are going to be for the same daughter that is gonna have different pajamas. The second kind of not so great thing that happened with Zulily is I got all of my coats from there, because they had some really nice puffer coats that were $20, and where I live, it is like freezing. It gets below freezing many times in the winter, and so it gets cold here, and the puffer coats are great. Well, again, most of the coats were great. There was one coat that my 12-year-old wanted, that on the picture, it looked mauve, and on the picture it says mauve, and then when I get the coat, the tag said mauve, but it was like this super pastel pink, and my middle schooler just was not having that, because that's just pastel pink is for little kids, not for middle schoolers. So anyway, oh, this looks like oh, that's great. Okay, so it looks like I got the other Mucklucks in this box, the other slippers. And I remember these were on a really good sale, or a really good price. It's not going to tell me how much it was. These were for a really good price, and I love Mucklucks, so it looks like all those came, and that's great. If I remember correctly, the buffalo check, the red and black, was for Cody and my husband, Cody, and my little nephew. So those look great. So far we are good, and I hope I know what this is. I've been waiting for this, and I really hope that these are good. Again, I'm kind of a little nervous because the last few things have not been great from Zulily, but that one was good. Those 2 packages of the Mucklucks were good. So I've been holding my breath on these ones. And this is what I think it is. I'm super excited. Oh, it is what I think it is. Okay. These are something for me, and I'm super excited. Oh yeah, these look awesome. Okay, so these are some boots that I ordered. They are also by Mucklucks, and oh my gosh, I'm so excited for these. These look really nice too. So from Zulily, if you order Mucklucks, you're probably pretty safe. Look at how pretty these boots are. Oh my gosh, I love them. And they came just in time for fall. So, oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so excited about these. These were a really good deal. Mucklucks can be very expensive, especially for this kind of boot. Let's see. Oh, I would have told you what they normally cost, but I don't see that on here. But they're usually expensive, and oh my gosh, they're so cute. I am so excited to wear these. So there's my 3 orders from Zulily, and this time they did great. So I'm glad I got this. This is from Gymboree, and my kids used to wear Gymboree all the time. The only one that really is okay with wearing it now is my nephew. But with their pajamas are amazing, and they're so soft, and they're normally pretty expensive, but they were having a sale where they were like $9. And so, because they were Halloween pajamas, and these are so cute. Okay, so this one is gonna be for my 9-year-old, and I'm gonna take out the package so you can see. It does have embroidery on it. I don't know what embroidery. Anyways, look at how cute. Look at those cute spiders. The spider and the bat. Super cute. Striped bottoms. And then for my nephew, who is 6, we got him the black kind. And for us, for me, I just don't care that, like, I know Halloween is like a couple days away. My kids will wear seasonal, like, Halloween pajamas during Christmas. Like, we don't care. I know some people that bothers, but I actually get these a size bigger so that they can wear them the following year, and it's comfy now, and it's gonna fit them next year. So these are the bottoms for those. And then for the same kids, my 9-year-old and the 6-year-old. Alright, so this is the girl version. Cute little polka dots on the pumpkin and little polka dot bottoms. And then for the boy version of the pumpkin, it looks like this. I mean, this is just such good quality, and for $9, plus long sleeve and long pants. I love getting pajamas for a good deal. I don't know. My kids always need pajamas. So for my older girls, I still get them stuff from Gymboree just because they can wear them at home. It's not like they're going to be showing any of their friends or anything. So for my older kids, I got them these like zombie ones, and I think these glow in the dark. Maybe. I thought they said they glowed in the dark. Maybe they don't, but I think these are cute for my older girls. Cute little mummy pajamas, and cute for Halloween. So that was for, yeah, that one was for my oldest. That one is a 14, and then this one is a high school. So super cute pajamas, and they're super sturdy. The last thing that I got in my mail was from Stampin' Up. This is for, I think this is November's Paper Pumpkin, because they usually do it like a year early. I dropped my scissors. So yeah, I don't know what is gonna be in this box. It's kind of a surprise. They keep it kind of hush-hush until you get it in the mail, and I'm excited to see what is in this one. Last month it was those really cute treat pumpkin boxes. They were so cute. I showed you that in my last opening, mail from a week video. So, okay, so cute. So normally in these boxes, so this is how it looks when it comes. And it always, most of the time, I think almost every time, it comes with a stamp set. So, it's kind of hard to see. So this one, it has Merry Christmas, peaceful Christmas wishes, wishing you and your family all the best holiday cheer, to you and yours, sending you peace and joy all year long, and from our home to yours. And then it has cute, it's kind of hard to see. Let's see if I can help you. I don't know if that helps at all. It's got some cute snowflakes and some cute trees on there. So I'm assuming this is a card box, and it does come with a stamp spot. It looks like in this really pretty green. It's called Shaded Spruce. I really actually love that green. And so it comes with everything that you need to create whatever is in the paper pumpkin kit. And I have said this before, I don't sell Stampin' Up, but my sister Laura Cathcart does. So if you're interested in Stampin' Up or paper pumpkin and you want to order anything, you can go to Stampin' Up's website and you can order from her. I know she would appreciate that. So, oh, this looks so gorgeous. Look at these pretty greens. Oh my gosh. Oh, this makes me excited. Oh my gosh, look at those envelopes too. So it looks like it makes, oh my goodness, I don't know how many it makes. It usually makes around like 8 to 12 cards. Let me see. Okay, you guys, I think this is 10. I think this makes 15 cards. Usually it says on the outside of this package. Maybe it says on here. Anyways, it makes a bunch of cards. This is so pretty. I'm really excited with these cards. And look at the foil on the envelopes, the silver foil. And it looks like the card will also have some silver foil with some things that pop out a little bit. And then I love this snowy card, these pine trees. It looks really pretty. I'm excited. Maybe I'll do a little video on putting this together sometime next week. This weekend is busy with Halloween and everything, but guys, I'm really excited about that. These envelopes look so cute, and it comes with, you know, everything that you need to make the card to look the way it does on the front. So it comes with, it looks like a red baker's twine, the pop dots, looks like it comes with some foil lettering, and then obviously the little sayings. So I'm excited about this kit. It's super cute, and I love that it's not very expensive, and you get a stamp set and you get the ink, and it looks like this has 15 cards. I'm pretty sure this is 15. I will let you know when I put one of these cards together how many it is. Love, love, love. Love that green. I love that it's like more green with like little pops of red, and then the one card is like white and green. I love that. So that is my mail for this week. I actually did have another box, but it is something that my 9-year-old daughter and I order from because it has a lot of gluten and dairy-free stuff, and she had to have the bread that was inside of it. It was the, it's called Char bread, and oh my gosh, for gluten and dairy-free people, it is like the best bread you can get that's gluten and dairy-free. It's really good because a lot of them are crap, but everything they make is delicious. So that was, and this is not a sponsored video for any of this by any means, so I'll just tell you we order from Thrive, and it's I think it's on a monthly renewal, and I can go in and I can change things if I want to. Like this month we got some dairy-free pumpkin spice caramels, and those were delicious as well, so I'll change that up for next month. Anyway, that's my mail for the week, and now it's time for me to eat dinner. I'm hungry. I hope you guys have a great day, and like and subscribe. I will be doing some DIYs, oh, so many DIYs, next week starting on Monday, and I'll probably be doing something tomorrow. I think I'm gonna do a DIY tomorrow also, and it's gonna be a good one. So definitely like and subscribe so you can get the video on that. I hope you guys have a great weekend. Stay safe with Halloween and trick-or-treating if you have kids, or if you're going yourself. I mean, if an adult came to my house trick-or-treating, I would totally give them some treats because Halloween is fun. All right, see you guys.